Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new front eRide air strut for an Audi A6 or S6 C7 and an Audi A7 or S7 4G. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Then remove the applicable front wheel and engine bay trim to access the strut top that's beneath it. Locate the shock tower and begin by removing the applicable engine bay trim. Now that you have access, remove the 4 nuts securing the strut in place. Then disconnect the electrical connector. Continue by disconnecting the airline and the ride height sensor. Remove the rubber grommets from the spindle assembly and remove the sway bar end link bolt. Now loosen and remove the upper control arms and remove the spindle bolt. The next items to loosen and remove are the shock fork pinch bolt and the lower shock mounting bolt. The final removal steps are to lift the strut up and out of the lower mounting fork and then removing it from the vehicle. Install the strut into the vehicle and seat it in the lower mounting fork. Make sure to always tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Install the lower shock mounting bolt and the shock fork pinch bolt. Now reinstall the spindle bolt and tighten the upper control arms. Then install the sway bar end link bolt. Install the rubber grommets onto the spindle assembly and reconnect the ride height sensor. Remove the plug from the valve check and install the provided VOS fitting snug tight with a wrench. Then remove the shipping plug from the VOS fitting. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Insert the airline into the new VOS fitting and press the airline in firmly until it is seated. Then reconnect the electrical connector. Use the provided spacers on the 4 top mounts. Ensure the lip of the spacer faces down and seats in the top mount hole completely before installing the 4 top mount nuts. To complete the installation, reinstall the engine bay trim and applicable front wheel. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air strut of an Audi A6 or A7 with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.